Hi everybody, this is Diana from Sweet y Salado, and today we're going to make the easiest recipe you can make, and that's how to make a no churn vanilla ice cream where you don't need any kind of equipment. You just need whipping cream, condensed milk, and vanilla extract. And remember that the link for this recipe can be found in the info box below. The very first step is to whip our whipping cream. So we're going to place it in a large bowl or container, hopefully that it's really cold, and you can do this either by hand, using a handheld mixer or a stand mixer, and we're going to mix this until soft peaks form. And this is what it should look like at the very end. Try not to overbeat because otherwise you're going to end up with a mess. Then in a separate bowl, we're going to mix a can of sweetened condensed milk with vanilla extract. And then very gently, we're going to add our whipped cream. I like to do it in batches, so that way I don't lose any of the volume that I got from the heavy cream. Once everything's well mixed, we're going to pour the mixture into a deep container or a deep baking dish. A meatloaf baking dish works really well for this recipe. Then we're going to cover it with plastic wrap and then store it in the freezer for at least 4 hours or until it's nice and firm. So that's why it's best to leave it overnight. And that's your recipe for making a delicious, super easy, no churn vanilla ice cream. If you enjoyed this video and this recipe, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and if you haven't done so already, subscribe to this channel so you can be up to date with all the new videos that I upload in the future. Thanks everybody for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye, and buen provecho.